It's our first audition, and I have a feeling this is going to be one of the best we've ever had. The judges have already started the audition process. Let's take a look.
Should I feel discouraged?
All right, can you sing another song?
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can do this on my own. I'm let it go, give me one more chance.
Kavita, you had some very good parts of it and then some other screechy sounding parts. I think overall you're a beautiful young lady, and I think that probably with the right type of song, it could work, but there are a lot of stronger vocalists that came before.
That's my concern. I didn't really mind how you sounded, but there were parts that concerned me. It didn't hold together as well as some of the flawless performances we've seen today. So I'm measuring everything else against those, and it just didn't quite measure up for me.
Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. Decent love is clear to see. And darling, stay with me.
I like this sound. I'm just not sure outside of this particular kind of style what will happen for the 13 minutes.
I share that, but I thought you sounded so good. I think he deserves to go.
He does, he deserves.
Because you have a good voice.
So everyone's afraid of Anthony and his comments. I wonder how he's dealing with season 14 contestants.
I just need a little time to work them out.
Alchemist, if you really had demons trying to take control, you would have sounded way more interesting.
Feel the catastrophe.
Brother Gino, I'm fireproof. You want to try something else? You want to try something else? Because that wasn't working.
When will I see you again?
Not anytime soon, Regina. Thank you.
Yeah. So my work from sun to sun.
Thank you. Let me just be honest. I don't like the song and I don't like your voice.
I know the Lord will fix it for me.
I'm sorry. I don't think the Lord can fix this one.
I'm going down. I'm going down.
Nice dress. That caught my attention. Nothing else did.
Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect one. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got the 9 to 5, but baby, so do I.
Thanks. But nobody's going to believe you. Nobody's going to take you on a date if you look so, weirded out. It's like, come on. Yeah, but give me a date vibe.
You're rude.
So a big thing about being a star is naturally being able to stand out. And that is sometimes what it is you choose to wear. And you never know what you're going to find. Follow me. Hi, guys. How are you?
I'm fine.
Come over here, lovely lady.
Hi, ma'am.
What's your name and where you're from?
My name is Olivia McCoy. I am from Top Lincoln, Manchester.
First time auditioning?
This is my third time.
Your third time. And they say the third time is the charm. They usually say.
Yes, third.
Third. Now, before I even get into what your genre of music is, explain to me what you thought of in terms of your image.
I don't think much about my image. Do I have an image?
But absolutely, because you can't just come with a song or you can't just come with a voice. You have to be like an entire package. So we usually ask our contestants when they come with, for example, you have a hat, a scarf, colors, you have gloves, you have sneakers. If there's anything that went into this look.
Well, I love antique. I love ancient history. So I try to put on that aura of ancient history.
Okay, and what are you going to do for the judges today?
I'm going to sing an old-fashioned song.
Lovely.
And it means a lot to me.
Can I get a taste?
On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame.
And I love.
And I love that old cross where the day rests and best for a world of lost sinners were slain.
You were interesting, you know, how you showed up and what you did and that choice of that song. But Olivia, I don't think a talent show is quite what is in the cards for you. I don't know where your destiny will take you, but it's not Rising Stars. Thank you.
I can read your mind and I know your stories. I can see what you're going through. Yeah, it's an uphill climb, but I'm feeling sorry. But I know it will come to you, yeah.
How long have you been singing? How long have you been singing for?
From a little boy, man.
From a little boy. And your
boy,
people...
me always a practice and up on the street I sell some seasoning, although make sure we take up the things and go away with it. Still I want to lock up, but you know, we never go to jail yet and such. And you know, just give them the things and then take it and go. You know? I say I not go to jail.
Right.
Yeah, I not go pay no penalty if you me no.
Right.
Make it.
So, but you sell the seasoning, you're not taking the seasoning?
Yeah, anything like seasoning, ackee, mango, anything.
So you're selling those things,
Yeah.
you're not taking those things?
No.
Okay, and who are the persons who keep on convincing you and encouraging you to come and sing?
Come and sing. I was at the corner one day, enough time, many times, many times I come to market. I was at the corner one day and so singing a song. Some other people are passing and I said, man, I hear a radio turn on around here, so I want to read them here turn on.
They thought you had a radio voice?
Yes, so I said, alright, I'm going to try this thing then, Rising Star.
You want to big them up?
Yeah, I can big up them too.
Beautiful.
Big up Senti, my country. I come from Prospect, Manchester. And big up the audience them when I had I take anything.
Lovely.
And big up Miss Therese Carey.
Yeah man,
Miss
man,
Therese Carey.
close enough. So give
Yeah.
me one last song before we leave.
Yeah, one last song.
I'm gonna take my little time. I gotta walk me my baby on the coastline. Well, never really into no rush. Just the love that she gave to me, I just can't get it on. Slowly but surely, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
Baby, don't go.
I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness and a wandering eye and heaviness in my head. But don't you remember?
Stop, thank you. Harmonique. Your name sounds like a star name already, so that's a good start. I think that you're very nervous, and it showed a lot, but there were times when some really sweet parts of your voice came out, and I think that there is a lot there that we can work with, and I say yes to you.
Yes.
First time entering?
Yes.
Do you know how rare it is for persons to come and probably get through in the first go?
I know it probably would have been very hard.
What has this journey been like? Did you just always get up knowing I can sing, or did you have family and friends pushing you?
Well, I've been singing since I've known myself, and I have a driving force of family behind me supporting me through it all.
Really? So are they here? Because sometimes family comes, sometimes they support.
Yes,
sometimes
my
them say
uncle
don't.
is here.
Your uncle is here?
Yes.
Very, very cool. So was it always easy to make this decision to come and try out for Digicel Rising
No, it
Stars?
wasn't.
No, tell me about it.
Every year, I'd be home and I would say, Mommy, you know, I want to enter Rising Star. I want to enter Rising Star, and I'm going to enter Rising Star. But I never get here.
Really?
But this year, my grandma decided, you have to go, you really have to go.
Of suffering, if we all stand together this one time, then no one will get left behind. Stand up for life, stand up and hear.
All right, I like poise and I like clarity, and I liked where you were taking that song, and you started out a little hesitant, dare I say, a little dull, but then it got really way more interesting once you just opened up your voice. I really like that.
Lots more memorable auditions on the other side of this break from cool Mandeville. We'll be right back.